Seated anterior. Breathe in, breathe out.
That was good.
Nice, nice, nice. How's the neck felt?
It's sore over from here. So the easiest is all.
You're still okay with the gun before I work on it?
I'm sure.
Scott always has the coolest t-shirts.
I forgot about that.
A buddy of mine that I grew up with, he has like a closet of like t-shirts, like hundreds. And he takes them to the dry cleaners, has them pressed. I mean,
Oh, my word.
yeah, but
It's a t-shirt.
yeah, but he's one of those guys that doesn't get his shirts dirty. He can maintain them. I can buy a shirt and before I leave the store, it's already got something on
Yeah,
it.
it's got stains on it.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's me.
Yep. Or I get home and I'm thinking, you know, I'll just do a little work. I won't ruin my work clothes.
Famous last words.
Yeah. It is tight on the side, isn't it?
It is.
Low back been good?
That's good.
Good. Good, good. Let's switch sides.